Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can download OnlyFans on your iPhone. Now OnlyFans does not have any app, so you need to do it through a different method which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to open up your Safari browser on your iPhone. Once you open your Safari browser, where it says search, you want to search for OnlyFans. Once you search for OnlyFans, the first option, onlyfans.com, click on it and it's going to take you to the official website of OnlyFans. Now from over here, log in into your account, but I'm not going to do that. But log in into your account, it'll be easy for you in the future. Now, once you log in into your account, you can see this little arrow pointing up button at the bottom, which is in the middle. As you guys can see, you want to click on this button. Once you do that, all the option like this is going to be shown. We don't want any of this, so scroll all the way down until you see this option called add to home screen. If you see it, click on it. Once you do that, do not change anything. You can only change the name. I want the name to be OnlyFans, so I'm just going to choose OnlyFans and click on add. Once you do that, OnlyFans is going to be added on your home screen. Now this is not an app. This is basically a shortcut. You can click on it and it'll automatically take you to the official website of OnlyFans over here. Now if you have already logged in into your account, it's going to straight up open your account. So it's basically like an app, but not an app at the same time. This is the only way you guys can kind of download OnlyFans, alright? So hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.